Mother-son hiking duo. What up? Beautiful day for a bike ride. Passing on your left.
We're doomed.
We're doomed.
Doomed.
What, 5 minutes ago? Seconds.
I always see the coolest things on my walks. Look at that little buck. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. I've actually been under the weather for the past few days. I have like a chest cold. Hello, how are you? Okay, I get why this is so popular. This festival is actually amazing.
Right there. Walk.
Just walking along. There's a deer right there. No big deal. Get outside. Bye.